about measurement today. Who can tell me what we have been measuring lately at class? Our desk. Yesterday we practiced measuring our desk. And what tool did we use, Delaney? A ruler. Very good. Do you remember with our ruler, how many inches are on our ruler? How many inches are on our ruler? 12 inches. What else did we practice measuring? Brian, do you remember what else what another measurement tool is? Maybe I'll show you. Do you remember what this is called? What's this? What's this called? What? Inches? Yep, there's 36 inches, right? 36. And it's called a yard. He didn't say it. Yardstick. Remember? So today we're going to use the yardstick again. Remember we measured how tall we were with the yardstick. So we have the yardstick and we have the ruler. And what else did we use yesterday when we measured? What else? It's over on this station. Who can remember? Delaney, do you remember what this is called?
What is that? What's that called? Scale.
A scale. Very good. So we're going to measure the weight of our objects with a scale. Okay? All right. Let's go over our vocabulary words. Brian, what's our first vocabulary word? We talked about it already. What's this word? Ruler. And it measures straight objects, right? And a ruler has 12 inches. iPad. Delaney, yep, we can use the iPad later, Zach. What's this word? Scale. And what do we measure with scale? How much something weighs. Very good. Brian, do you remember this word? Yardstick. And what do we measure with a yardstick? How tall we are? Do you remember that? How tall we are. Okay, today I have a fun video about measuring length. How long something is, right? We can measure. Let's look at our pod book. We can measure how tall something is, or how short something is, how wide, how narrow, and then some other words we could talk about: big, small, and tiny. Let me show that to all our friends. An object can be tall or short, wide or narrow, big, small, and tiny. An object can be tall, short, wide, and narrow. Yes, Brian is tall. You are the tallest one in the class. Do you remember doing that yesterday? Mackenzie, let's look at our words. We have tall, short, wide, narrow, big, small, and tiny. Thank you for looking. I appreciate that. Okay, now we are going to... Brian, would you like to watch the video? Video first, and then we will have Choo-Choo Express, okay? So, yep, go have a seat. Thank you. Good job. Okay, let's start our video. Good job, Brian. Thank you. Hold on 1 second. We need some volume, don't we? We can't hear it, Miss Petersen. Okay, it's about length. How long something is.
One end to another. Let's compare the length of a pencil. This is a long pencil, and this is a short pencil.
Here's our long
Here is
pencil.
another example. is a longer pencil. This is the longest
And
pencil.
that's the longest.
Let's see an example of length measurement by comparing the height of two boys. This boy is tall, but this boy is short. This boy is tall, this boy is taller, and this boy is the tallest. Now let's compare the width of the two jars. This is a narrow jar, and this is a wide jar. This jar here is narrow. This jar is narrower. And this jar is the narrowest.
Okay, thank you guys for watching that. Now what we're going to do is I have 3 stations, and I already handed out your measurement charts. Oh, Zach, I think I forgot you. So we are going to practice. So here is your measuring chart, and all I want you to do is write down how long the objects are. So the first station, you're going to measure with a ruler, and I have some items to measure. You can pick 3 items. The next station is the scale, and I want you to measure or weigh how much each item is. You can pick 3 items. And then the third one is you're going to measure with a yardstick. A yardstick? Can you say yardstick, Zachary? Yardstick. Okay? And we're then, at the end, we will discuss which one is the heaviest, which one's the tallest, and which one is the shortest. Our vocabulary words, okay? So Zach and Dalton can come to this first station and get started. Delaney and Mackenzie can use the scale. Okay? And then Brian, you can use the yardstick. You can move this stuff too if your student doesn't want to move.
Here, buddy. Hey,
First,
come
we're
measure.
going to measure, and then I'll play tutu in the press, okay? Can you help Mr. Organizer?
Is it the state?
You have it right there. Oh, thank you. Good.
Take a pencil. You ready? Mackenzie's waiting. She wants your help.
5, 6, 7, 8. 8 inches.
Good job, Dalton. 8 inches long.
10 inches long.
What do you want to do? The pencil set? Let's do it. All right, let's put the pencil. Look.
The iPad.
Look how long.
I'm a distraction.
Sprinkles,
It's,
canopies, and the puzzle.
we'll say it's 7 inches long. Look with your eyes. It's 7 inches long. So you can just write 7.
I'll help you write. Soon.
Yep.
7
After math.
inches.
You'll see them. We're going to measure the eraser. Let's measure the eraser. Can you help me? Ready? Let's put it right down here.
Okay.
Look. Oh. It's 2 inches long. It's yes. Look. 2 inches long. The eraser is 2 inches long.
Here, let's write that down.
Can you write that down?
What's that close to? Can you see that arrow pointing down? It's almost 200. Should we write that down for the puzzle?
Keep going.
200
3.
Grams. Can you put a G after it for grams? A little G.
Good job, Delaney. You measured the puzzle. Are you all done with that one? Which one do you want to do next? The sprinkles? Okay.
You want to try to do this one? It's not enough, is it? Can you move the next one? Here, Delaney.
Can you
You
move
want to
this
teach you
one?
this press?
Move
Hey.
this one.
Come here. Here, do you want tissue?
I'll help you. 400. Think it's 100? Look, it already went too far down. We need
Come here, please.
Try the 50.
Oh, is that one last?
Yeah, that one's last. You can try that. That goes up to 100. Getting close. Ooh, I think you're really close.
Is it almost at 50?
50, so you can write 50. Good job.
Grab it.
Can you? There you go, Delaney.
You
You're
think
doing
that
a
one's
great
heavier
job.
or lighter than this one? You think this one's lighter?
Heavy.
I think it's
Yeah,
heavy.
Heavy, you're right.
Can you try to move that one? Yeah. I think we have to lift it up.
That's
Too much.
Do you need help?
Come back some.
Oh, are you guys gonna go to this one?
Yep, we're going to the next station.
All right. Where you want to sit, Zach? You want to sit in that seat or this seat? Here's Zach.
What's it?
Here's a seat for Dalton. You guys can work together now. Let's work together. Okay. So the first thing to measure is the K in your time book. Okay. Let's measure this, all right? I'll start at the top.
Which one was the heaviest, Delaney?
Top and the end.
How long
Look.
is this? Hey, come here.
Look how long it is, Dalton.
Put your finger on it.
How long is
Number
this?
20.
It's 20 inches. Zach, did you see it? Look. We started at the top and the end.
Touch the 20.
20 inches. Very good, Zach. Okay, let's write 20. Now let's do the next item. Let's put it there. Okay, Dalton, can you help me? Help me. Let's start at the top. Top. Oh my goodness. Look how big this is.
Is this?
It's 22. Good job. Okay, I think. Yeah, I was gonna do the desk. Should we do the desk?
You did all four. We do one more. Oh,
Let's start
okay.
at the top.
How far is this?
Can you put your hand right here?
1, 2,
Finger right there.
It's actually 2.
Okay,
Very
perfect.
good. How far is this?
Move it.
Count.
Plus 5, so 41.
7.
Do you guys want to switch with the girls?
Very
Since you
good
guys haven't
job.
done the
Nice work.
scale, you're gonna
Switch
measure.
stuff or shall we?
Oh,